In this video, I will show you how to bring back the missing phone icon in iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my iPhone home screen, and currently in my iPhone home screen, the phone app is missing. Now, as you can see, my phone app is not showing anywhere. So if you accidentally removed your phone app icon from your home screen, then you have to go to your iPhone app library. In your app library, you will find the phone app. Now to add the phone icon in your home again, hard press on the phone app and just tap on add to home screen. And the phone icon will be again add. And now if you don't see the phone app icon in your app library also, then you have to go to your settings app. Once you are in settings app, tap on general and here scroll down all the way to the bottom and just tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and here tap on reset, and here you have to reset your home screen layout. So tap on reset home screen layout. Once done, your iPhone home screen and app page layout will be reset, and then you will see the phone app icon in your home page. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.